Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Triple T on my Facebook. So we're here on a snowy morning. It snowed last night and yesterday. So they're cleaning the street a bit. Alright, so we gotta clean the snow off the car. So you from there, so it took a hard up. While we car in under the carport. No snow.
Here's the other side.
Oh, this I thought it was hard.
The car is melting the ice.
Oh, because you started it?
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought it was hard. So you use the brush part.
Let me see. Use it like this.
Are you supposed to put this one up too?
Yeah, that's hard.
I nearly fall. Oh, so there's a lot on your back. I thought there was none on it. Come here, so your car under the carport, so you can't escape it.
That's a park in the garage. I can't.
Oh, boy, look how much that is. Backyard is covered as well. So the glass all right now? Hey guys, I'm on my way to work and I got a job in the snow, but guess I'll make it work. Just gonna take my time and hope all goes well. Crap. First time driving in the snow. I'm gonna be so late, but I'm taking my time. persons came and plowed the road. we really did got a lot of snow last night or yesterday. Going too fast. In time. I got like 7 minutes to make it to work. Can I make it on time? Oh wow, I gotta go to school. And the kids still gotta go to school. It sucks. So I guess same way I have to go to work, they have to go to school, right? But the road is clear, so it's not that bad. And it's not snowing, but it's not snowing ever. Snow, you need to go half the speed limit. Speed limit for here is 35, so I should be going half of 35, 17 point. Oh wow. You can pass the person's house with everybody you're trying to shovel their driveway or trying to clean out their cars. He said I gotta put up the wiper blades. You leave these up, I think. I need to get to the other one. I don't want to break it. I don't think I wear the correct shoes for this. At least I think that's how that one is supposed to go. To get my stuff out of the car. My shoes. So I made it to work. I made it inside. Damn, my hands are so cold. So I'm about to start work now. This is at the beginning of the snow, so it wasn't hard driving in it because they plowed the streets and stuff. But it may snow while I'm at work, so I maybe have to go outside to clean the car and stuff. I mean, they just called me to do it. Anyways, gotta go to work now. Toodles.
A few moments later.
So it's snowing lightly. There's still snow on the road. So I just gotta take my time and go slowly. Because the roads are starting to be covered again. So now, trying to park and I think I'm stuck. I'm trying to reverse to my parking spot in a driveway and like, the car ain't moving. The car not going back and like, it's starting to snow harder. Oh my god. So just called B to come and help me out. So I'm waiting for him now. So Big came to my rescue. I came out and I couldn't park. I don't know what happened why I couldn't park, but like I'm not sure, but yeah. Big came to the rescue. I still gotta get myself out the car though. Yeah, so Big came to my rescue. What would I do without you? Ah!
So you're gonna figure it out.
It's blowing in my face. But babe, I need to get my stuff out of the car.
I left the door open. And the lights on, so go get your stuff.
Oh my god!
Oh, why are you still standing in the cold?
So thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.